Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable play audio at startup sound on your Android phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Android phone and open the Settings app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option that says Sound and Vibration. Got it? Now, go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. Next, scroll down again and look for something called Additional Settings. When you see it, tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Now, within the Additional Settings menu, you should see the option for Play Audio at Startup. If this option is turned off, it means it's currently disabled. Step 5. To enable the startup sound, all you need to do is tap on that option, and it will switch on. And that's it. Now, your phone will play audio every time it starts up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.